after a long hike. We do a lot of those, you know, those mountain house freeze-dried meals. Super, super great for being able to boil water for those. It's fantastic. The other thing that's great about it, it's windproof, right? So it's makes it really, really nice. So when you're using that butane, the way that they've kind of configured this, you know, windproof is just huge. It's got an alloy hob and aluminum burner, which ensures that this thing is going to have a nice, steady, even flame, even if the conditions aren't ideal for a traditional fire or burner type system. Now, one feature I really like as well is the piezo ignition system. So there's no need to fumble around with lighters or matches. You just twist this thing and you are ready to go. The adjustable flame control allows you to cook precision. I mean, whether you want a rolling boil